In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly in Carrd.co. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional button on your Carrd site that takes visitors straight to your Calendly scheduling page, making it easy for people to book time with you without any confusion. First, head to your Calendly dashboard and open the event you want people to book. This could be a discovery call, a consultation, or any event type you've already set up. Inside that event, look for the share option. Click share, then choose copy link. This copies the unique URL for that specific event to your clipboard. Using the event's share link is important because it ensures visitors land on the exact scheduling page with your availability, time zone handling, and any questions you've configured already built in. Next, switch over to Carrd and open the site where you want the booking option to appear. Click Edit to enter the builder. You'll add a button element, which is a simple and reliable way to connect your site to Calendly. Place the button where it feels natural, near your headline, in your contact section, or anywhere your call to action will be most visible and useful to your visitors. With the button selected, go to the link settings, choose URL, then paste in the Calendly link you copied a moment ago. That's the key connection. When someone clicks this button on your live site, they'll be taken directly to your Calendly event page to pick a time that works. No extra steps required. This keeps the experience smooth for your audience and keeps your scheduling centralized in Calendly, which is great for confirmations, reschedules, and reminders. A few quick tips to make this feel polished and intentional. Use clear button text so people know exactly what happens next. Something like book a call or schedule now tends to work well. Make sure the button's color contrasts with your background so it stands out. And keep the button near related content, like a short description of what the meeting covers or who it's for, so visitors have context before they click. That's all there is to it. You copied your event link from Calendly, opened your site in Carrd and clicked Edit, added a button element, and in the button's link settings chose URL and pasted the Calendly link. Now your visitors can easily schedule time with you and your booking process stays organized and professional.